I thought I'd give you a sneak peek before you see it about one of our brand new products. This is called Golden Milk Tea. Let me just show you it. Golden milk is a lightly spiced drink, similar in flavor to chai, and is packed with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties thanks to a dose of turmeric. When it arrived, I was a little hesitant because I thought that the turmeric and the milk combination would be terrible, but I was really wrong. The golden milk is based on traditional Ayurvedic recipe that has been savored for centuries and is used to support the mind and body in a number of ways. So the main ingredient is turmeric, which is a powerful antioxidant that improves the digestion of fats and sugars. It may also help people with rheumatoid arthritis, people with gum problems, and people with diabetes. The Epicure blend also contains sarsaparilla root. It's a big mouthful of words, yes. This is also used to treat skin conditions and rheumatoid arthritis. You make it in milk, and a little touch of honey adds the right amount of sweetness, and the ginger and black pepper that are also in the blend gives it sort of a little bit of heat, but I wouldn't consider it super spicy, more like a chai tea type heat. So our Epicure Golden Milk is vegan and gluten-free, and I have made mine in unsweetened almond milk, so you do not have to make it in cow milk. You can make it in coconut milk, almond milk, or soy milk, and it's completely up to you. So if you look at our tea, you will see that I have made it in milk, and that's how it's supposed to be made, just like a chai tea. This is actually unsweetened almond milk because we don't have cow milk in the house, but you can use regular cow milk, you can use lactose-free milk, and you can use coconut milk or soy milk, whatever you prefer. Cashew milk would also work well. But the tea bag is gluten-free and completely vegan, so you can even make it in water if you wanted to. I have tried it in water. I do prefer it in milk, but it does give you a unique hot tea flavor as well. And the antioxidant properties would still be there if you used it in water versus milk. So honestly, I really like this product. It gives me a great alternative to caffeinated beverages, and sometimes you want something creamy and you don't actually want like hot chocolate or chai tea, and chai tea contains caffeine. With this is a great healthy alternative to that. And it's just nice. I'm actually thinking of trying it, blending it into a smoothie as well for a completely different breakfast option. I will let you know how that goes. So I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you want to try it. I do have some samples available, so let me know if you would like the sample included in your catalog delivery, okay? I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope your kitchen is full of healthy, delicious foods. And if you like this video, please hit subscribe and share the video to other people. That would really make me happy. Thank you.